To achieve financial stability in life, you need to have multiple streams of income. If you would love to make money online today without capital, this video is for you. So grab a seat. One of the lovely way to make money online today is visual assistants. Becoming a visual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A visual assistant job involves doing various tasks online, like managing social media pages, replying to emails, taking phone calls on behalf of organization. With the numbers of solopreneurs increasing every day, visual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can start by applying jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or visual assistant jobs. Visual assistants make around $20 per hour and above on average. According to Indeed, some visual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can follow suit by increasing on Facebook page, get more clients for yourself, and pursuing it with your content promoting your services. It's free to create one and share with everyone online. Another cool way to make money online is to do research online. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If you so do, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. No money involved. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable source of information for them. Then they share the information with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their task. All you need to do is computer and internet access. That's all. Here are some companies that regularly look for online researchers. Wonder. Wonder hires visual researchers to find quality answers to make questions posed by the clients. Tasks may involve gathering statistics, explaining market trends, or determining competitive landscape. 10EQS hires industries experts who can research and answer questions relevant to their particular industries. If you have extensive knowledge of an industry, you can apply to join the 10EQS of experts for opportunities to work on Leaf's research project. You can also apply to internet research jobs, Upwork, and Indeed. Cool way to make money online is transcript audio video files. Though artificial intelligence is emerging as tool to help with speech to text transcription, it's far from perfect. Therefore, many companies rely on transcriptionists to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. Cool. You can lock in part-time role with company like Rev or work freelance with multiple firms on specific projects. Most companies let you choose which assignment you work on and set your own schedule. Very perfect. The best way is to indeed, the best way is to need to invest any upfront. Simply use the speakers that could build into your computer to transcribe. To succeed as a transcriber, you will want to strengthen your typing skills. Your work needs to be error-free and easy for clients to comprehend. Start practicing by transcribing short audio files so you are ready to apply for the jobs. Transcription companies are good to make money online. To review websites, apps, and apps is another lovely way to make money online today. Another way to make online free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonial on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine their quality and performance of their websites. When reviewing websites, you will usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with. The testing method you will use in front of interns. You will earn more if you are willing to do one-on-one testing session with clients over video conferencing. Here are some companies you can join. User testing for app and websites. User experiencing testing. Try My UI for expression and survey-based testing. TestBed for digital products, store and mobile app testing. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up fee. You can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. Before we get to the next side hustle, I would like to know, how are you finding this video? Would you like to make more money online? Please hit the like button and subscribe if you've not already done that. Let's go to the next side hustle on the list. Join an affiliate program. Do you think you have marketing skills to promote things effectively? Join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products, services, or brands on different platforms. Once you are accepted, you will receive an affiliate link to share with others. When someone buys a product or services after clicking your link, you will receive a commission along with a credit for the referral. The commission payable depends on the affiliate program. The product being promoted, basic items are on the Amazon marketplace, won't pay out much, but promoting digital services like web hosting may earn you hundreds of dollars. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing doesn't rely on blog promoting to generate revenue. For a marketer, you can use your social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, any social media platform you have on, become successful on affiliate marketing. Another cool way to make money online today without capital is to launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTuber? Nowadays, you can film unboxing videos of products, tutorial and funny skits with nothing but your smartphone, and it doesn't cost anything to set up your YouTube channel. By signing into YouTube using your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you have several opportunities to make money once you've reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. You can start earning by running ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands and sponsor content, sell merchandise, or become an affiliate to monetize your YouTube channel. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to focus on one niche. You could offer beauty tutorial, makeup, review tech products, do daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices. Whatever you think will bring more views is okay in YouTube hustle. Another way to make money online is to participate on focus groups. Do you enjoy sharing your insights and opinions with people? Take part in paid market research studies and make over $50 per hour or more. Focus groups are normally used to determine the people's attitude towards specific products, branding, or ideas. Participants may also be asked their opinions on competing products or businesses. Focus groups can be conducted in person or online, but generally are free to join and pay participants handsomely. Some of the places you can look for focus group includes user interview, respondents, L&E research, 2020 panel, take part in research. Usually there will be a moderator in the group to guide discussions, take notes, and record the session. If you join an online focus group today, you should be able to participate in the discussion via video software on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Another lovely way to make money online today is to become an online travel agent. Do you know where to find the best flight deals and vacation packages? Consider working from home as a visual travel agent. Travel agents get paid to help people plan vacations and personal travels as an logistic, connecting flights, accommodations, and sightseeing, tours, etc. can be overwhelming. Many individuals rely on travel agents to make their trips easier. You don't need any special certification to become an online travel agent. What you need are research and organization skills to plan a smooth trip for your clients. In the budget may mention for assistance. You can partner with different companies to get discount to offer your clients. Another way to make money online is sell photos online. If you regularly take pictures or have a lot of image on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock agencies to earn money. You will receive commission every time someone downloads one of your photographs, either a fixed amount or a percentage as determined by the stock image sites. Best website to sell your photos online are Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, iStock. If you build a nice collection around a particular theme, you can earn a good amount of money from it. And the best is every image you upload can be sold again and again. Whoa, awesome. Though some websites might require you to make photo exclusive to their platform, you don't need to make money by spending anything online today. Another lovely way is offer a social media consultancy. Know how to get followers on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Put your skills up for sale by promoting yourself as a social media consultant. Brands will contact you to brainstorm creative ideas, produce videos, and more. It's a great money making opportunities for individuals with social media skills as you can use your existing profile as your portfolio. Market your portfolio in digital marketing groups and forums. And don't forget to include link to the outreach emails. Send your agencies. Need inspiration? Check Lucas Okafor. This list will be continued on my next video. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to get notified on my next video. Thank you.